Hello everyone, welcome to Project Argus. This is going to be a short presentation demo where we will highlight many of the features that we have implemented and a few of the stage transitions. If you are interested in seeing the entire procedure from start to finish, you can find a demo on our website. This right here is our login screen. Edwin is going to type in his information and log in. If a user does not have any login information, they can create an account using the button. Edwin right here is going to create an account for Nymel, and then he's going to be able to log in using the new information. Finally, the user can log in using facial detection. Edwin is one of the users who has been granted access to this program. He can log in by showing his face to the camera. After logging in, the user is presented with the main menu. Here, there is a list of procedures that the user can select. However, we have only added one, the assembly of the Phantom X robot turret kit. When the procedure is clicked, the user is presented with a list of the instructions that procedure involves. When the user is ready, they can press begin. After pressing begin, we are presented with the procedure screen. In the top left, we have a live feed of our wireless camera. Currently, you can see the Jetson on the screen. In the top right, we have various buttons. Return to main menu returns the user to the list of procedures. Previous sends the user back one instruction in the procedure. Validate checks to see if the assembled stage is on the screen. If it is, it moves on to the next step, otherwise it stays on the current step. Forward sends the user forward one instruction. Show stage preview shows a preview of what the assembled stage is supposed to look like. This feature will be shown later. In the bottom left, we have a text output. It gives the user various information about their current place in the procedure. In the bottom middle, we have a checklist. This gives the user an idea of where they are in the procedure. Here is an example of the Show Stage Preview button being clicked for stage 1.2. Let's now show you how our object detection model actually detects if the user correctly did the step. On our workstation, Edwin has stages 1.2 and 4.3. We are going to purposely misvalidate a few times, and we will then validate each stage correctly. First, let's try to validate stage 1.2 with the incorrect stage. As seen in our text output, the validation was unsuccessful. Let's validate it correctly now. So now we have correctly validated stage 1.2, and the procedure automatically moved on to stage 2.1. Now let's use the forward button to move to stage 4.3. We will misvalidate it and then correctly validate it as well. We've misvalidated 4.3, let's now validate it. Okay, so we've now misvalidated and correctly validated both stages 1.2 and 4.3. Let's now end the procedure, back out of the program, and see the data that was collected during the entire procedure. This is stages.csv. It shows when a stage was validated and how many times it was misvalidated. This is parts.csv. It shows us which parts were detected every second, as well as their respective coordinates and timestamps. Finally, let's show a clip of the turret moving. That's all for our demo, and thank you very much for watching.